Hello, everyone. Are you ready to get fit and earn rewards at the same time? In today's video, we're going to talk about the top 5 best websites to earn while getting fit in 2023. These apps will not only help you stay motivated to exercise but also reward you for your efforts. Hello, and welcome to the Money Express channel where we talk about all things money and making more of it. So, let's dive right in and start with the first app on our list. Sweatcoin. 1. Sweatcoin is a popular app that pays you in digital currency for walking or running. With over 80 million users and growing, Sweatcoin has become one of the fastest growing fitness apps in the App Store. The app works by tracking your daily steps and rewarding you with Sweatcoins based on your movements. For every 1,000 steps recorded, the app pays out 0.95 Sweatcoins. You can then use these Sweatcoins to redeem various rewards, such as fitness gear, workout classes, gift cards, and more. Some users have even reported earning PayPal vouchers, which can be spent almost anywhere. Sweatcoin has partnered with over 600 brands, offering a wide range of products and discounts in its marketplace. These partnerships help the app generate revenue while providing users with valuable rewards. Here are some tips to make the most out of Sweatcoin. 1. Complete daily bonus activities. Watch 3 ads per day to earn extra Sweatcoins. 2. Just log into the Sweatcoin homepage, scroll down to Daily Bonus, and click Try My Luck to complete each bonus. 3. Bonuses can be as high as 1,000 Sweatcoins per ad, but that isn't common. 4. Keep the app running in the background. To ensure that all your steps are counted, keep the Sweatcoin app running in the background on your phone. 5. Check the marketplace regularly. The Sweatcoin marketplace offers a wide range of products and discounts from various partners. 6. Keep an eye on the marketplace to find the best deals and redeem your Sweatcoins for valuable rewards. 1. Participate in challenges and races. Sweatcoin offers community challenges and races that encourage users to reach collective step goals. By participating in these events, you can contribute to unlocking funds for campaigns and earn additional rewards. 1. Invite friends to join. Sweatcoin allows you to invite friends to join the app. 2. By inviting more people, you can create a supportive community that motivates each other to stay active and earn more Sweatcoins. 3. Don't forget your daily streaks. Sweatcoin has a feature that allows you to watch an ad daily and earn Sweatcoins in return. 4. The more consecutive days you watch ads, the more Sweatcoins you can earn. 4. CashWalk. 5. CashWalk is another fantastic app that rewards you for walking or running. 6. Similar to Sweatcoin, CashWalk converts your steps into Stepcoins, which can be redeemed for various gift cards and experiences. 1. The app is available in the United States, Canada, UK, France, Germany, Spain, and Italy. For every 100 steps you take, you earn 1 Stepcoin. Once you accumulate enough Stepcoins, you can redeem them for gift cards from popular brands. Users have reported earning up to $85 a year by consistently using the app. Here are some tips to make the most out of CashWalk. 1. Enable the lock screen feature. To ensure that your steps are counted, activate the lock screen feature in the app. 2. This will allow you to check your steps as you walk and collect coins by touching the treasure box on the lock screen before the daily reset. 3. Walk indoors and outdoors. CashWalk counts steps both indoors and outdoors, so you can earn Stepcoins while walking on a treadmill or engaging in other indoor activities. 4. Participate in challenges. CashWalk offers various challenges that encourage users to stay active and reach specific step goals. 5. Enable the battery saving feature in the app to prevent your phone's battery from draining too quickly. 1. STEPN. STEPN is a Web3 lifestyle app that combines SocialFi and GameFi elements, using a dual token system. Users equip NFT sneakers and walk, jog, or run outdoors to earn tokens and NFTs. 4. You can trade your NFTs on the in-app marketplace, and your earnings are stored in the in-app wallet, which has a built-in swap function. To start earning with STEPN, follow these simple steps. 1. Download the STEPN app and create an account. 2. Equip your NFT sneakers and start walking, jogging, or running outdoors. 3. Earn tokens and NFTs based on your activity. 4. Trade your NFTs on the in-app marketplace or store your earnings in the in-app wallet. Here are some tips to help you make the most out of your STEPN experience. 1. Choose NFT sneakers with good stats, such as high resilience and efficiency, to maximize your earnings. Engage with the STEPN community on Reddit and other social media platforms to stay updated on the latest news, tips, and strategies. Be consistent with your outdoor activities to accumulate more tokens and NFTs over time. STEPbet. STEPbet is a fitness app developed by Way Better that motivates users to be more active by providing a financial incentive. Players bet on themselves to meet their personalized step goals during every week of the game, and if they achieve these goals, they win money. The cash prize, accountability, and community support help users build a more active lifestyle. To start earning with STEPbet, follow these simple steps. Download the STEPbet app and create an account. Connect your preferred fitness tracker to the app, and STEPbet will generate 2-step goals for you based on your recent activity history. Join a game and place a bet, usually around $40, to participate. Meet your personalized step goals every week of the game to win money. Here are some tips to help you make the most out of your STEPbet experience. Be consistent with your outdoor activities to accumulate more rewards over time. Engage with the STEPbet community on social media platforms like Reddit to stay updated on the latest news, tips, and strategies. Plan your week strategically to ensure you meet both your active and power step goals. Combine STEPbet with other fitness apps to diversify your earnings and keep your motivation high. Remember, the primary goal of STEPbet is to help you build a more active lifestyle and improve your physical health. Earning money is just an added bonus to keep you motivated. WinWalk. WinWalk is a free pedometer app that counts your steps and rewards you with gift cards from top brands. The more you walk, run, jump, sweat, and burn calories, the healthier you get, and the better the rewards. The app is easy to use, beautifully designed, safe, anonymous, and 100% free. To earn rewards from WinWalk, all you need to do is walk. The app uses your phone's built-in sensor to count your steps, without GPS tracking, saving your battery life. It also tracks your burned calories, walking distance, and time. WinWalk rewards you with 1 coin for every 100 steps, up to a maximum of 10,000 steps per day, 100 coins. It takes about 8,000 coins to earn a $5 gift card. While the earning potential may not be huge, it's a fun and easy way to earn something while staying active. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the top 5 best websites to earn while getting fit in 2023. We hope you found these platforms helpful and motivating in your quest to stay active and healthy while earning some extra rewards. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to fitness and earning potential. So, keep walking, running, and moving every day to maximize your earnings and improve your overall health. If you enjoyed this series, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on fitness, health, and earning opportunities. We'd also love to hear your thoughts and experiences with these platforms, so feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, keep walking and earning.